Hi photo students. This is a demo on how you're going to transfer your images that you've taken on your camera to your computer. Now, I'm using a basic intro camera. This is a Nikon D3500. It's the one that we offer as a loaner for the course, and is relatively current. It shoots images and records that data to a memory card, in this case an SD card. Now, we're going to take the images from this camera directly from the SD card. I'm going to take out of this camera and put into a card reader that's built into this laptop. Now I say that because there are other ways of doing it. I'm going to do it and demo the way that we have students using the cameras in the course, but I recognize that not everyone is going to have a built-in card reader into their computer. So if that's the case, you have a couple options. You can get, or if your camera came with it, a cable that will connect to, often on the side of your camera here is a USB connection. Let me see if I can get this so you can see. If I were to open up this side door here, on the side there you can see some cable connections, and this top one here is a USB connection. Now, this isn't your typical USB connection. This one's called a micro USB connection, and so you need a specialized cable for that. Some cameras come with them. Sometimes you have to buy them separately. That's a way that you can connect directly to your USB out port or port in your laptop or computer desktop. Now, there's another option too that I recommend if that didn't come with your camera and you wanted something that could connect a little bit more than just an SD card to your computer. You can get an adapter, which is a separate device that connects to your USB out port or port on your computer that will connect not only an SD card, but often will connect different types of memory cards, like a micro SD card that's often in video recording devices and so on. So keep that in mind. Those are separate accessories that you can get for your device or your camera to connect it to your computer so you can transfer data from the camera to the computer. Now, I'm going to demo, though, this is a DSLR camera. I'm going to demo how on this camera, which is very typical of a lot of DSLRs, there will be a side door that opens. Sometimes this is built in or a component of where the battery exists. On the bottom here is where the battery is on this particular camera. Sometimes there will be a card reader in there as well. Each of you using a different type of camera will have to figure out where that card reader is. Now, very typical though is a SD card that's inside this camera. Here, let me see if I can get that a little closer. Will have a mechanism where you select and you press down on that memory card and it will pop that card out. Same goes for popping it back in. You want to push and it'll click. Now that's the way that it stays in and connects to the camera. So now I've taken that memory card out. In my particular computer laptop, on the side here is a card reader that's adapted and fit for a particular size, in this case an SD card. It's one of the more common card sizes. So if I plug that in, now it should recognize that card as a external device, much like if you connected your phone or an external memory card or something of that nature. It'll see it as an external drive or external memory device, like a pen drive that is connected to this computer now. So what I'm going to do is move from this point to recognizing that card inside what's called Adobe Bridge. And Adobe Bridge is where we're going to download our images and organize them, and then use that as a application platform for getting into Adobe Photoshop. So we'll shift from here to the next video, which will take us to Adobe Bridge.